Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
The special court at Merces on Friday started hearing the arguments over the bail application of Zenito Cardozo in Rama attempt to murder case. Zenito's counsel started the arguments and said that there is no material evidence directly against Zenito to implicate him in the case, but the prosecution and the police have relied upon the confessional statement of co-accused, and the defense advocate cited several judgments of the Supreme Court to contend that confessional statement of co-accused should not be based for the arrest of a person in any case. The defense counsel, means the advocate representing Zenito Cardozo, further contended that Rama has not named in the statement Zenito Cardozo, nor he has expressed any doubt over Zenito, but to please somebody, the police has named and arrested Zenito Cardozo in the case. The defense counsel further contended that if Zenito was involved in this case, he could have approached the court seeking anticipatory bail, but he did not do so, one, because he was not involved in this case, and second, he was confident that Rama will speak the truth.
मजगती शिरीदाव गँग वॉर केशींत हायकोर्टाच्या निर्णयाक झेनिटोन सुप्रीम कोर्टांत आव्हान दिला.
In the arguments over Zenito's bail application, defense counsel, means the advocate representing Zenito Cardozo, also informed the special court that they have filed the special leave petition before the Supreme Court challenging the High Court's order upholding the conviction of Zenito Cardozo in 2009 Siridao gang war case in which 2 persons were killed. But on this issue, the prosecution and the intervener advocate stated that though the appeal has been filed before the Supreme Court has not seized of the matter and there is no interim relief from the Supreme Court.